Welcome to my mukbang video. Um, what time is it? It's 2 p.m. in New York City. So this is my lunch. White brown rice. I mix it. The chicken breast. This is very big chunk of chicken breast. How much was it? 440 gram of chicken breast. It's a big one. And then this is kimchi. Jalapeno, my favorite from Trader Joe. And this is the aioli garlic mustard sauce. This is from Trader Joe too. This is one of my favorite sauce. When you eat salmon steak, use this garlic mustard sauce. Really good. Okay. Oh, ooh, it's hot. Ooh la la, juicy. Don't cook too much. Mm. Mm. You see, juice dropping. In my opinion, I mean, I'm not expert. In my opinion, never buy frozen chicken breast. So dry. Oh. You have to buy actual chicken breast, organic. And I always buy the thick one. So for example, if I go to Trader Joe, but I don't know about other market. But if I go to Trader Joe, there's a chicken breast section, right? Each package has different price, right? I think the price range is like from $4 to the one I bought yesterday. It's like $10. So cheap. So every package has two pieces. So $4, $5, $10 doesn't matter. Every package has two pieces. One second. Let me grab one more bite. My favorite one. Jalapeno. For chip package, each piece, so every package has 2 pieces. Each piece is kind of small, kind of thinner, smaller. These thin, small pieces are quite dry. So what I realize is that this is why you have to learn from your experience. As I said, each market is different, right? Trader Joe, always remember, you have to buy big one, big, thick one. Get the big, thick one. And, well, it depends, but I recommend using the air fryer. I believe each machine is kind of different, but try 390 Fahrenheit. 390 Fahrenheit, 10 minutes. 390 Fahrenheit, 10 minutes, up and down, up and down. So, up, 390, 10 minutes. Then flip, 390 Fahrenheit, 10 minutes. Very juicy. This is softer than A+++ beef steak. So this one has 100 grams of protein. It was $4.40, but there is 25 grams of protein for 112. So if you do some math, about 100 grams of protein. See, almost done. It was real good. It's good size. Almost done. Today is a leg day. Yesterday, I did. Yesterday was a push day, so I did chest workout and shoulder workout. Mm. I think my chicken breast is the best chicken breast in New York City. That's the record. It's so delicious. But this kind of big chunk of chicken breast, if you slice it, you see the side part, right? And when you look at the side part, there's a layers. In each layers, there's a juice in between layers, right? You have to keep that juice. So the timing, the Fahrenheit are the most important thing. So you have to figure out how long and what temperature. Well, it depends on where you buy the chicken. That's why I don't recommend those like Costco frozen chicken breast, those kind of thing. Oh, it's so dry. But no matter how good you are, this end part is kind of dry. Well, there's nothing you can do about it. for leg day, make sure you eat meal at least like 3 hours before workout. And have some enough meal. Yeah, 3 hours. Yeah. The last piece. Mm. The end part quite dry. Not bad. I was gonna cook the chicken, the broccoli, but I was kind of lazy today, so I just skip it today. Anyway, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. I will try to cook salmon next time. Goodbye.